Welcome to my channel. Now in this video, I will show you how to write the PLSQL procedure which accept the year as an input from the user and generate the report like this, in which it displays the employee number, name, designation and salary of the employee for the given year. For example, if user enter the year that is 1987, then I want this kind of report. So let's do the same thing practically. So first of all, I need to develop the query. So I'm just writing over here that is select employee number, name, job and salary from employee, where to care of hire date and I want to extract the year. So I'm writing here that is y is equal to, for example, if I write over here that is %, variable year. So what happened? It will ask me that enter the value of variable year. So it is asking me to enter the value for the year. So I'm just writing over here that is 1987 and I'm getting the detail of Scott and Adams. Now I want to display the report like this, and for the same I need to write the PLSQL block. So first of all, I want to copy this particular query. So I'm just using edit and let me copy this particular query. You can test for another year. For example, you can write over here that is 1981 and you will get the list of all the employees who were hired in the 1981. Now I want to write over here that is PLSQL block. So I'm writing here that is declare begin and end. Now here I want to write the cursor. So I'm writing here cursor C1 is, and here you can paste your query. That is a select number, name, job and salary for the given year. Now I want to take the year as an input from the user. So I'm writing here variable year, integer colon is equal to %, variable year. So it will ask the value from the user, and here I'm just writing that is variable year. Now I need to write the loop to extract the data one by one from the cursor. So I'm writing here that is for I in C1. You can write here loop and loop, and here you can write that is dbms underscore output dot put underscore line, and here you can write that is rpaid of I dot employee number, and I want to provide here length of 15 characters. Here you can write that is rpaid again I dot employee name 15. Again you can write rpaid I dot job, and again you can provide the length of the 15 characters. Here you can write that is lpaid. Why? Because salary is the numeric, so I want it right justified. So I'm writing over here that is lpaid. And here you can provide the length of 10 characters. You can copy this particular statement and you can use over here that particular statement as a header display. Instead of employee number over here, you can write that this is number. Instead of this e-name, you can write over here that this is name. And here you can write that this is designation. And here you can provide that this is salary. Now you can write over here first statement that is set server output on, and you can copy all this statement and you can paste over here in PLSQL, and it will ask you to enter the value for the year. For example, I am writing here the year is 1987. Then I am getting the detail over here of 2 employees with the title that is number, name, designation and salary. Now I want to draw a line over here. So I'm writing over here before heading that is dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. You can use the function lpaid. You can write dash 55 times and you can replace with the dash. And same line I want to write over here after heading, and same line I want to draw after end of the loop. Now you can copy all this statement and you can paste over here in PLSQL and you can enter the year. For example, if you write over here that is 1987, then it will give the details of all the employees who were hired in 1987. Suppose if you write over here that is 1981, then it will give the list of all the employees who were hired in 1981. Now I want to write over here that is total salary, as well as I want to get the total number of employees. So for that I need to take the two variables. So let me take over here one variable, that is variable count integer colon is equal to 0. Let me take one more variable, that is variable total salary integer colon is equal to 0. Here you can write that variable count equal to variable count plus 1. So one by one it will be incremented and total number of employees will be available into this variable count variable. Now here you can write variable total salary equal to variable total salary plus I dot salary. So one by one each and every salary will be added to total salary variable. Now here you can draw a line again, and again you can draw a line, and here you can just write that total number of employees. So you can write over here that is number of employees, and here you can write colon, and you can write over here piping symbol, and you can concatenate variable count. Now here you can again use the piping symbol, and you can write over here L paid. So left side I want to put some space, and I'm writing over here that is total colon, and here you can concatenate the variable, that is variable total salary, and that total number of spaces I want to provide over here, that is for example 30. You can copy all these statements and you can paste over here in PLSQL. It will ask you for the year. You can enter the year 1987, and you will get over here that the total number of employees are 2 and the total is 4100. So if you calculate over here, then I need to provide here the spaces, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So I need to provide here 7 space. If I increase the 7 space in 30, it means that instead of 30, if I make it over here 37, then I will get the total salary exactly below the salary. You can copy all this statement and you can paste over here in PLSQL. It will ask you for the year. For example, if I'm entering the year 1987, it says that total number of employees are 2, and here you can get the total, that is 4100. Not only 1987, suppose if you enter the 1981 over here, then you will get the total salary, that is 23,065, and you will get the total number of employees, that is 9. Now I want to put the title over here, and that is employee details over here. So you can write over here after begin, very first line you can write here, that is dbms underscore output dot put underscore line. You can write over here employees details for year, and which year, that you can concatenate over here, that is variable year. So this is the employee details for the year. For example, if it is 1981, then it will display 1981, and if it is of 1987, then it will display 1987. You can copy all this statement and you can paste over here in PLSQL. Suppose if you enter here 1981, you will get the title over here, employee details for year 1981, and number of employees and total salary. Suppose if you write here 1987, for example, you will get over here that the total number of employees are 2. This is the total salary and this is the detail of year 1987. Now I want to convert this block into procedure. So it is very simple. Instead of this declare statement, you can write over here, that is create or replace procedure, name of the procedure, get employee by year, and here you can write bracket, and inside bracket you can write this year, and here you can write that is as. Now no need to use the ampersand variable over here, so you can remove this semicolon, you can remove this ampersand colon equal to. So procedure is created. You can just copy this all statements and you can paste over here in PLSQL, and you will get the message over here that the procedure is created. Now I want to execute the procedure. So it is very simple. You can write over here that is execute get employee by year, and you can provide here, for example, 1987. You will get the report that this is the details of employee for the year 1987. So this is the way you can develop the PLSQL procedure to get the details of the employee for the given year. So that's it from my side. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.